Hi everyone, Siavash here with another video on how you can actually automate your Facebook Messenger using ChatGPT and make automation. So basically think about this that you have like a couple of Facebook business pages or even one Facebook business page and you're not 24/7 on top of the messengers and basically you don't have an assistant that actually answering the messages on the chatbot 24/7, and also you don't want to use something that is generic that, hey, if it's like after hours, tell them that, yeah, we will respond back to you first thing in the morning, or if it's during hours, you just give them a generic response like, hey, we're gonna get back to you within the next 10 minutes or something like that. Those are good. We do that as well for our clients, but let's say if you want to have something more kind of like a conversation chat kind of a thing, because if you think about it, if you feed this to a bot that you've trained, you can literally get that messenger conversation chat and convert that person to a sale or a client. We do that for our clients as well. We basically train the bot, we put it on their different platforms like Facebook Messenger or even Instagram comments and Messenger that I did in another video, how you can actually hook this up in Instagram as well. But anyway, so basically you can see the power of this thing, and as you can see, it's very, very simple. I only have like 3 modules in here, and once you set that up, you're good to go. So I'm not going to go into like all the details on how you can actually connect the Facebook Messenger. There's a link in here, how do you connect the Facebook Messenger to the Make platform. You can step by step telling you what to do and how you can do it, has a link and everything. Make sure that you go through that. If you have any question and don't have any idea how these things are working, just let me know down in the comment section, or get in touch if you need any help and we can help you out. But let's just dive in and show you how this is built and how you can actually use it yourself instead of like going and buy it online if you don't want to. Anyway, so first thing first, you want to have access to this platform called make.com. They have a free platform based on your usage, so it depends on how much you're using. You pay for that, so you get a free usage kind of credit, and then after that, if you pass that, you have to pay for that. That's why we usually handle all of these bots and automation ourselves for our clients. So basically, they sign up to us, and we set that up for them, so they don't need to worry about all these different subscription and implementation and those kind of things. Anyway, that being said, in order to build this guy, I'm just going to create a new one in here and show you how you can go through that. So you can always add a module. I've already added Facebook Messenger, so it brings it in my history, but if you don't see it, you can just type in Facebook, and these are all the modules that you can have. I click on Facebook Messenger, and the thing that is going to trigger this workflow is going to be watching the messages. I'm going to click on that, and then it basically tells me to hook that up. The whole hooking is going to be based on this. I've already done that. I'm going to say use that thing that I've already set up. I'm going to hit OK. Now that's been set. The next thing I want to do is like, hey, if someone messaged me, I want ChatGPT to actually read that message, understand that message, and reply to that message based on the knowledge that it has from my business. So I'm just going to go ahead and add another module. And if you don't see it in here, you just type in either ChatGPT or OpenAI, and it will bring it up, and you click on that. And you have a couple of options. Usually the one that you want to use is going to be create a completion. For this tutorial, I'm going to use create completion because it's the easiest one. So I'm just going to click on that. And the way that it works, it's very, very similar to the chat conversation that you have when you are on the ChatGPT website. So I'm going to do that. And in order to connect your OpenAI, if you haven't already, if you only have ChatGPT account, you need to sign up for another account called platform.openai. So if you see this top, I've written it there. So you just platform.openai.com. You sign up. It's for free again, and it is based on your usage. So, and the usage is basically how many words and how many API call you're going to make to ChatGPT to get responses back. You need to be careful. If you're doing a lot of volume, it can add up very, very quickly and easily. That's again why we handle all of those chatbots, different chatbots for our clients, because otherwise you're going to have lots of subscription. And since we running a lot of volume, we can get a what you call it, better pricing as well. Anyway, going back in here, once you sign up, you will be able to go to your account and create what we call an API key. And with that API key, you can connect the Make platform to your Chat GPT. And then you can use a chat completion in here. I'm going to just use chat completion. And then it says what module you want to use, what model you want to use. So if it's your first time and you haven't spent any money with OpenAI, they don't let you at the moment. They don't let you to do GPT-4, which is the latest one. You're only allowed to use GPT 3.5 Turbo, which is pretty good enough. But if you don't see GPT-4, that might be the reason. So you can go there and go ahead and click whichever you have available for you. And this is basically the knowledge and how good the results are going to be based on the model that you are using. And then this step is going to be the message, adding the message. So the way that it's going to work, I'm going to say add an item. The role is going to be the user, and the message content is going to be something like this. It's a similar, very simple prompts like write me reply to this Facebook Messenger message, and the message is going to be the text that is coming from the Facebook Messenger. I'm just going to hit OK. And what it's going to do, as soon as it receives that text, it's going to send that prompt to the Chat GPT, and it's going to come back with a result. And now we're going to send this result back to the Facebook Messenger. So right now you should have the Facebook Messenger in here. You click on that, and now I'm going to send the message back. So I'm going to click on this, and there's a couple of fields that I need to fill up. So the message is going to be a response. The PS ID is going to be the PS ID from the sender that's coming here. The user reference is going to be here as well. We don't need the post ID because it's not a private replies kind of a thing. And we don't need the comments ID as well. Then what we need is the text. So the text is coming from the Chat GPT. Oops, sorry. So you want to click on choices, and then you want to choose the text. And we're not doing any attachment as well. Not a quick reply. You can also play with the quick reply as well if you want to, but we're not doing that here. So I'm just going to close that. No metadata, that's fine. We don't want to make it super complicated, and just hit OK. And the only thing that we need to do is we want to make sure that this is the trigger. So you wouldn't need to do this because I've already have like built this, but this makes it this lightning things. It means as soon as this action happens, because it's instant, this whole thing is going to start running. And as you can see down at the bottom, it says immediately as the data arrives. And you turn it on, you make sure that you save it, and then you're good to go. So at any point of time, if anyone sends you a message on Facebook Messenger, you're not going to basically keep them hanging or just basically give them some generic response that this is going to be a conversational kind of a thing. As you think of, it's not going to keep telling them the same thing. So you can keep the conversation going, and it's pretty much your own chatbot assistant, and you can tell it what to do with that information that you're getting from the Facebook Messenger. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this one, and this is honestly, it's pretty cool. And if you haven't watched the Instagram bot, I also had an Instagram bot tutorial as well. Make sure that you check that out on my YouTube channel. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If you have any question, as usual, you know where to find me. And please do make sure that you like, subscribe, share, and yeah, thumbs up, please. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.